Yes, welcome to Foreigner in the Philippines. We're here in Talbon, in Avenson. Then we're here because we're gonna buy a refrigerator for the dorm, so they could stock some food there.
This seems like the best all-rounder that we've seen.
Yeah,
It's good on energy saving. It's marked down
3,000
with a discount, so it's marked down from just over 20
to 15.
to 15 and a
Although there's some other brand, like for this one, but we don't. It's too much. That one it's bigger. For the fridge here, there's 3 layer there. And then here in the same side here also, if they could stock some food, some vegetable and some water.
Yeah, and what we will be looking at, because it's going to be 30 kids using this, we would want all of these things to be well made and robust. If they're flimsy, they won't last, and this seems to be quite well made. Not really quite sure on whether they really need a freezer, but I think that with kids and in hot weather, it would be pretty good to be able to make ice strips or make ice. And with 30 kids, it's going to be a lot of ice, so this is a good one so far. So, there's specifically an ice maker there, but it's such a tiny thing. I think it's hardly worth.
Yeah, miss,
Hardly worth.
imo ika-advise na mo asa imong paliton nga mas maka-save og energy, kuryente.
Compared sa asa man ma'am.
Sa among sa lain nga brand. Oo. Unsa nga asa imong ika
Sa mo jud diri mong is ang fast moving jud mo diri is kini Panasonic.
Panasonic? Yeah. So finally I'm able to get the phone of Manangina because I'm low-bat on my phone, and then the camera, what they call that? The camera SD card, Terrence didn't put it. So we have a camera but there's no SD card. So we finally got the ref. It's quite big, you know. But the good thing about that is the energy consumption, right? It's very good in energy consumption because electricity here.
It's not energy
Consumption. Because the electricity here, the bill is quite bigger. You know? So you need also to look the energy consumptions. Plus I buy some drinks for them so that there is a beginning on having them to have breath. So I buy 5 packs of soft drinks, which 5 times 12, how much? How many?
Enough.
Enough? That's enough. That's enough for them, right? 5 times 12? Crystal! Baby! Pwede mo madaog accounting? Taliklik, 5 times 12.
Well, 5 tens are 50, 5 twos are 10.
110? Do you think it's 110? 5 times 12. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 60, right?
Yes.
60.
Who
5.
said 120?
No. I got my phone.
Who said 120?
100. Pepe. I got a calculator. 5. 60. 60 now.
60. 512, yes?
60.
So if you say 5 tens, 5 tens are 10 times 5 is 50. And 5 twos are...
One right. We got 60 soft drinks.
5 twos are 10. 10 plus 50 is... Can I hear? Nobody.
Yeah, so we're gonna go to the dorm now. I'll be back. Stay tuned. We'll be back.